Well, I've got problems with my shower, and so what I've decided to do is just demolish the shower and install a new tiled shower with a new shower pan. So go through the process and see how it goes. I don't know what's going on with this shower. I got water leaking through to the family room. You know, and I've had nothing but problems with this damn shower since I built the house back in, what, 88, 89. This is the second time I've worked on it, so I'm going to demo everything out and replace it. That's all I can do. Tired of messing with it. My first thought was the toilet was leaking underneath and causing, you know, water to you know, seep down through the floor downstairs. But it's wet on top of the Wonderboard, which is the underlayment for the tile. So it appears to be that the water's coming from the shower. So I'm just going to keep demoing until I find the source and then fix it and start over. Okay, so it looks like I've located the problem. There, I'm going to bring the big dog out and do some serious demo. Looks like the water was penetrating that corner there and getting behind the tile. It was never waterproofed correctly, but everything else looks nice and dry. So, oh well. Life of a homeowner. I'm just lucky I know how to do this stuff. Okay, so you can see here I've demoed all the tile off the shower walls. We'll move in. You can see here there's no more moisture barrier. The waterproof sheetrock behind it is rotted away, all the tile. So it looks like here I've got some pretty major water damage here, and I'll have to dig into the walls and see what type of repairs I'm going to have to do in order to make sure that you know, the house is structural. You can see here all the mold and the dry rot that's going on. The wood's not wet, so I'm not quite sure what's causing it's coming through the shower somehow. So I'm gonna have to treat all this wood and see what I've got to replace and what can stay. A lot of it looks pretty good. That's that shear wall that I put on back in 99, 98 when I stuccoed the house. So not good. Okay, so I'm back in the shower, and what I've done so far is to cut away, demo the dry rot as much as possible without doing any more structural damage. So I've sprayed it with a chemical. It's like a copper solution, and hopefully that'll kill the dry rot and keep it from growing. And what I'll do is replace the portions that I cut away from this support studs with these horizontal treated lumber. Okay, so now I've treated all the lumber, repaired all the damaged wood, and laid down the hardy board, backer board, and using a modified polymer thin set, and then screwing it down 8 inches on center, and there's the floor drain. It's all set, ready to go. On to the next part. Okay, so we have the all the Wonderboard up. Actually, it's a hardy board, backer board, and it's all screwed off. Have the dam in, and tomorrow I'll set the mortar bed and then put the liner. Okay, so I've laid down the mortar bed, sloped mortar bed. That's 4 parts sand, 1 part cement, and that'll support the shower liner, which I'll install tomorrow. Okay, so now I've installed the shower pan liner, and what this does is it waterproofs the shower so the water doesn't leak through the tile. Now it's time to make the mortar bed for the tile. Okay, so now I'm laying down the mortar bed for the tile, and you can see I use a wood for the screeding to achieve the slope, which is about 1/4 inch per foot down to the drain. It's very important that your shower drains correctly. Okay, so now I've got the, for the most part, pretty good slope going down to the drain from the edges. And you can see what I do is I remove each screed board and then replace the void with mortar. Okay, so now we have the all the screed out, and I've basically refloated the floor. And you lay the a piece of the floor tile down to make sure that it's flush with the floor drain. So looking pretty good so far. Okay, so the mortar bed is all set up and ready to go. I built the dam out of the hardy board, and tomorrow I'll start putting the remaining amount of hardy backer board, and then we'll be ready for tile. Okay, so now I've got all the hardy board. It's up, screwed off, and I've taped all the edges and caulked the inside corners, and looking pretty good so far. Now it's time to do the tile, and then I'll use that square, framing square, and the straight edge to align the tiles. Okay, so now using the straight edge and level, I've installed the furthest field tile, so everything's nice and square and straight. And now I can start installing the all the field tile on the walls, and waiting for the 2x6 edge tile to come in. Okay, so I have a lot of the field tile installed, and the band that I'm going to use, and that's the same color trim that's going to go all the way around the tile, and over in the corner there's going to be a dish for you know, shampoo and what have you. Still have to do the floor. Wait, I'm going to pick up the trim tomorrow. Okay, so the have the floor tile down now, and still waiting for those the border tile, and as soon as it hits, I can finish this project out. Oh well. Well, the border tiles finally came in, so I trimmed around the window today, and it took like 3 weeks to get these damn tiles. I kept screwing up the order, and so tomorrow I should have it all trimmed out, and then start on the dam there, and then do the floor. Now I've just installed the 2-foot by 12-inch mosaics, and I've cut everything, you know, the plastic tabs that are on those around as much as I possibly can. The rest I'll have to cut in, you know, with the tile saw. So now all the trim's in, and I ran out of mortar. Go figure, thin set. So I've got to go to the hardware store and pick up some more thin set. That's it. I've grouted all the tile, and it's all complete with the exception of, now I need to just install the shower hardware and the shower door and the toilet, and then I can get back to using my shower. Shower door has been installed, and the toilet as well. Everything is fully grouted, and I've tested the shower, and it's all watertight, and it's good to go.